Welcome back to Overheat. Chevrolet Motorhome 2026 design and platform. Considering GM's electrification intentions, it is most likely based on an electric vehicle of chassis or maybe an upgraded Chevrolet van platform. The external design will probably be more aerodynamic with a closed grille if it employs an F platform. Chevrolet's distinctive LED headlights and current body lines are anticipated to be incorporated into the external design. To suit a range of purposes and interior designs, it will probably come in a number of sizes and body styles. Comfort and interior. For long-distance driving and road life, the interior will probably be designed with comfort and functionality in mind. Owners can tailor the space to their needs with a flexible and modular interior arrangement, e.g., bed, kitchenette, eating room, storage area. You may anticipate top-notch materials and contemporary interior design elements. There will probably be amenities like a cozy bed, a bathroom with a toilet and shower, a kitchenette with a stove, refrigerator, and sink, and clever storage space, large touchscreens, smartphone integration, and improved internet access are examples of contemporary entertainment and connectivity systems. Safety and technology, most likely to have a rearview camera, lane departure warning, automated braking, lane keeping assistance, and other active and passive safety systems. Adaptive cruise control and other more sophisticated driver assistance systems might also be offered, using an app or central interface. Smart technology integration allows you to handle several motorhome services, such as the entertainment system, lighting, and temperature, efficiency and performance. It will probably provide a strong and effective engine alternative if an internal combustion engine is still being used. The motorhome will be powered by an electric motor with a range that is projected to be adequate for extended journeys if switching to an F platform. Important factors to take into account will be charging infrastructure and charging timeframes.